Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to program a linear equation solver. So let's get started. Linear equation is in the form of ax plus b equal to 0, where a is known as coefficient of x and b is a constant. Before writing the program, let us have a look at the form of linear equation. To find the value of x, we need to equate the equation to x. So shift the constant variable to right hand side, then divide the right hand side value with the coefficient of x. Now observe the expression we have now. It is just a division. So same applies to program a linear equation solver. Now let's write some code. Create two integer variables a, b, where a is x coefficient and b is constant in our linear equations. Now, these output statements will help the user to understand the interface of our program. Now, take the input from the user. And finally, divide the constant b with x coefficient, which is same as the result obtained while we solve the general form. And store the result in a float variable called x, since the result will be either an integer or float. Now let's compile the program and check the output. That's it for this video. If you enjoy my explanation, do subscribe and share this video.